Want to use WhatsApp without other people seeing when you're online? You can change this directly from the app, and it only takes a few seconds. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner first, then select Settings. On iPhone, you can tap Settings directly from the bottom of the screen. Now open Privacy. Look for the option called Last Seen and Online. Tap it, and you'll see the settings that control when other people can see your activity. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, choose Nobody if you don't want anyone to see when you were last online. But there's one more setting you need to change. Under Who Can See When I'm Online, select Same as Last Seen. This is the important part. With these settings, other people won't be able to see your online status, and your last seen information will also be hidden. Keep in mind that WhatsApp applies a privacy trade-off here. If you don't share your last seen and online status with other people, you may also lose the ability to see theirs. There's also another option you can use if you don't want to hide your status from everyone. Instead of choosing Nobody, you can select My Contacts. My Contacts accept or everyone, depending on how much privacy you want. For example, with My Contacts Accept, you can hide your last seen from specific people while keeping it visible to everyone else. Once you've selected the option you want, simply go back. The change is applied automatically, so there's no save button you need to press. And that's it. Your WhatsApp online status is now configured according to the privacy settings you selected. If you're trying to appear more private on WhatsApp, you can also review settings for your profile photo, about information, status updates, and read receipts from the same privacy section.